Hello guys, and today we're going to be doing a collab with Bird Burst. So yeah, I'm going to give him a fight request or whatever.
Hello guys, hello viewers, and hello world.
First use the Achilles.
Let's do... Bubble is good, okay. I don't want to go for red one. I don't know where to place it. Oh, we still want to use the Railway Stadium.
Okay, let's do this.
I'm gonna get perfect.
Hey, I'm going to destroy you.
The touchdown wasn't working that well.
This is too easy.
Well, my thing was a bit weird. 3. It's gonna make me on my computer. Because usually I put on my main phone. Just work together.
Wonder Whip.
Oh, yeah, tell you.
End it.
Ooh. Just wait and see, man. Just wait and see.
Okay, you're done hearing crunching noise because my talkie bag is empty.
No, dude. Gotta be faster.
I can never get a perfect launch.
And let's get my special move on. And what am I going to say?
I'm not done yet.
I don't think I was going to save you. I'm going to get my stamina.
No! End it! I want it that way. Die!
Special move!
No!
Come on, Kelly! Let's destroy him!
Ah!
Let's go!
Okay, it's 2-2. It's 2-2.
I'm gonna watch this video after. Let's get both of it. You're gonna get collapsed. You're gonna get collapsed.
Let's do this. You're done for. Try hard. Stop. I'm ending it. Dang it. Ah, I beat you.
That is because I'm using Achilles.
Alright, now you're using Turbo Achilles and I'm using Turbo Valtryek.
I have something up my sleeve.
You have to use Turbo Achilles.
Yeah, I have something up my sleeve. Let's do it in the Turbo Slingshot Stadium.
Okay, let me do that.
Ready, dude?
No, I'll just accept your. Wait, did you accept mine, or am I gonna have to? Oh wow.
Oh, this is weird. Am I accepting yours, or are you?
Exactly, that's what I'm saying. I just accepted yours.
Okay, the phone left the hat. Oh, this is so. It's so hard. It's so hard to do this.
I know, right? Accept it.
I did. Come on, let's go. I used Jonesy this time. Oh, you're gonna get clapped. You're gonna get clapped.
That just sounds. That kind of sounds gay. Don't say that.
You're gonna die. You're gonna die. You're gonna die. Joey's gonna beat you. Look at avocado versus cookie layer weekend. You're gonna die.
Not happening. Turbo Valtryek whip.
Wow. That was crazy.
This is gonna be too easy. You got your turbo blades out?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, I saw turbo blades come out.
Yeah. Let's go, guys. Let's go this one.
Turbo Valtryek whip. Turbo Valtryek whip. No! I have something up. I have something up my sleeve the next round. Let's end this. I almost got out my turbo blades. Dang it. Valtryek!
Wow, Valtryek.
Rush launch!
That was good.
Now! Turbo Valtryek whip! Double turbo Valtryek whip! End it!
Oh, this time. This time.
This is really fun battling you.
Yeah. Yeah, let's use the new third one too.
Hang in there! Ow. Turbo Valtryek awakening! You're done! You're done! Turbo Valtryek whip! Your turbo blades didn't work that time, did it?
That's because I'm using the tablet on my phone.
Excuses. All right, Sword Valtryek versus Union Achilles.
Okay. It's gonna die.
But the thing is, you can modify your combos now. This is the last round, so you can modify it to whatever you want.
Okay.
This is perfect.
Let me do something. No, I'm just gonna want to take the combo on. But okay, I'm still making my combo.
Hurry.
I'm still the code. I don't like sandwiches.
Come on.
My tablet. Where's my tablet not working?
Man, there.
My game is a bit glitchy now.
Hurry up. Dang it.
I'm going as fast as I can, dude.
You're offline. Bro, you're offline.
I've been trying to get this one code.
Jesus Christ, you don't have to scream.
Okay, I got the code.
Okay, are you ready to fight? There you are.
I got it.
Come on.
Okay.
Last match, guys. Let's make this count. It was supposed to be Union Achilles with a different combo. But no. So I'm going to have to beat him up and teach him a lesson.
Nah, you're gonna go. Dragon's gonna bite you. Dragon's just gonna kill her. A dragon looks like it. But that did nothing to me. I want to attack did nothing. My defense is pretty bad.
3 attacks did pretty good.
3 attacks is like half a year. I'm not a fan of this. I should have used Hyperion. Or use Hyperion and attack you with a series. I don't want to do it. It took too long. How you cut my orb?
You're done for. Wait! Nah. Disrespect. Disrespect upon no!
Come on, Dragon. Let's kill him.
Why did I think you can pull off a good attack? Bro, why are we doing it? We're not even slingshot. Do you realize that? Do you realize we're not even slingshot, so the gimmick won't even work, so we don't even have to tap?
What's up? I'm gonna win. I don't know you're gonna fucking get it, you're gonna hyper to it. So I'm gonna work it.
You're kind of trash.
Yeah.
Allow me to demonstrate.
It's gonna
Sword! Opponent has left the match. You dodged a bullet there, my friend. Hold on, I'm gonna scan some bays. Letting someone let me scan some bays. Grace. I think you know who that someone is. Yeah, it's fine. That's fine. Okay, guys, this is going to be the end of the video. Absolutely demolished him. And yeah, next part 2 will be coming soon after I get Super Hyperion and King Helios and Glad Ragnarok and Curse Satan in the app, which I'll have it like in a few seconds. So yeah, bye.